Sorting is rearranging the data in a spreadsheet based on certain criteria. Right now, this spreadsheet is sorted alphabetically by student's last name, starting with the letter A. If we wanted to change that so it was sorted in the opposite direction, starting with students whose names begin with Z, we're going to click on the column of student name. We're going to click on the data ribbon, and now over here we're going to click on Z to A, sort Z to A. And it's going to say, what do you want to do? Expand the selection or continue with the current selection? In almost every case, you want to expand the selection because you want all the other columns to sort with the column you've selected. So I click sort, and now the first name in the column is a name that starts with Z. I'm going to click on sort A to Z. It's going to ask me if I want to expand the selection, sort, and I go back to starting with the letter A. Let's take a look at grade. So I'm going to click on the D column, so I've selected the grade, and I want to sort it A to Z. So I click on A to Z, I expand the selection, and it's going to start with grade 1 and then grade 2. But as you're looking at this, you might say, wait a minute, what about preschool? What about kindergarten? The problem is Excel can sort text or it can sort numbers, but it cannot easily sort text and numbers in the same column. There's a way to do it, but we won't get into that. So if we want to see kindergarten first, we're going to click on Z to A and expand the selection, or excuse me, not kindergarten, but preschool. So now we'll start with preschool, kindergarten. If we scroll down far enough, we'll get to Head Start. And then since we did Z to A, it'll be grade 8, then grade 7, then grade 6, etc. Now let's say I want to sort by absence date. So I'm going to click column E, and this will be a little different. Instead of just clicking on this AZ or ZA button, I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to expand the selection, and now it's going to ask me what I want to sort by. And I want to sort by absence date, and I'm going to leave this field saying values, and for order I want oldest to newest. Now I click OK, and now the data is sorted with the absences starting with the very first day of school and continuing chronologically until the current date of school.